So, today we will be building a drawer. Super simple. It's gonna be a quick build, kind of just putting it together, not really creating anything. It's kind of like doing a big Lego set, but for real life purposes. So a big thing when I do builds or create anything, build anything that I got from my place of work is just throw all the trash to the side, and if you have a box, put it in there, and if not, you pick it up at the end. I don't know if this is kind of like standard and most people do that or what, but I just know ever since I learned it that way at where I work, I've just always done it like that. I'll throw the trash to the side, yeah, like that, and then just worry about it after. And it's a burden off of me that I don't really have to worry about. So here we have the instructions. Super important. I think this is for being an engineer or any type of person who creates anything, is being able to properly read instructions. Like you can make something from scratch, but to be able to comprehend instructions well enough to put something together is really important. That's something I've learned over the couple of years. So I decided to put all the trash in that box, and it's time to get to building. Now, I'll be honest, like 99% of projects, if they don't require more than one person, it'd be a great help to have another person helping you. But as you know, I'm a professional loner, and so I like to do a lot of things myself, including building things and building projects. So that's why you might see me sometimes in an awkward position or holding something weirdly. It's just the way I've done it, and maybe when I scale to bigger projects, then I'll need to search for more help. But until then, I'll just keep doing it alone and seeing how difficult I can make it for myself. Now, for this next section, I do have to apologize, but in the moment, I didn't really think about, having hair and what it looked like in a first person perspective. But this is what I see. There's gonna be a lock or two that's just kind of in the way, so these sections won't be as long. I just thought it'd be cool to give a different perspective. So we'll just kind of go through those, and you'll just have to mind the hair. Okay, now I've done a lot of building, but this next section was one of the most annoying things because I don't have a magnetic bit on the end of my drill. So I just kept attempting to put it in the front for the handle, and it just wasn't working. I will be honest, sometimes magnetic bits are annoying because then you'll have the screw or whatever just getting caught for no reason. But in this instance, it would have been amazing and super helpful. And that is one completed drawer. So, by the time this comes out, I've broken the second one. I built it and then I broke it in a very stupid way because I stepped on it. But, things happen. We're human. We grow. But it was really fun making them. And, it was a simpler thing to make. So it wasn't too complicated and not too expensive because it came from Walmart. But I can't wait to show you the rest of the content of the things I've been building, and I can't wait to connect it to engineering builds for things like that. So see you next time.